back with a new video, and today I'm going to be doing a Halloween pumpkin makeup look. I'm super excited about this look. We're going to be getting right into it. I got these brushes from Amazon and this paint from Amazon as well. I will be linking them down below. Starting off, I'm just going to be carving out exactly where I want to make the part between my regular face and my pumpkin face. Now that I know exactly what side I'm going to be making my pumpkin face, I'm going to be filling that in with some of the orange paint. At first, I decided to use the sponge, but it wasn't giving me the pigmentation that I really wanted, so I decided to use a brush instead, which actually gave me more product to put on my face. And this paint is really awesome. My skin is really sensitive, but it did not irritate me. I was able to apply it all over my face, my neck, and my chest as well. Moving on to my chest area, I'm going to be making like little spikes just to make it look like the pumpkin is like coming out of the ground, but it's coming out my chest. I know that sounds crazy, but it's going to be really cool towards the end. Just keep watching. Okay, so now let's get into the deets. I'm going to be using this black color to just line out my triangle for my pumpkin face. I'm going to be just making it right across my eyelid. I'm going to be filling that in as dark as possible. To make this even darker, I'm going to be using a black eyeshadow, and then I'm going to be making a skull nose for my nose. For my lips, I'm going to be using a black lip liner. You can use any lip liner of your liking. And I'm just going to carve out my pumpkin lips. This was kind of weird because I never really carved a pumpkin. So I was just like going based off of a picture that I seen online. I did get the hang of it after a while, but it is a little challenging. I'm not going to lie. Using black lipstick I got from the beauty supply store. You can use any black lipstick that you like. I'm going to be filling in my lips and just giving it that extra pop. Moving on to what I think was like my second favorite part about this look, I'm going to be lining from my neck down to my chest to give my pumpkin some extra pizzazz. Okay, so this came out perfect, you guys. I love this so much. I was so excited. Now I'm just going to be filling in the lines on my pumpkin. I'm just going to be doing them from like the top of my head to the bottom, just trying to connect them. Some of them are just going to be little squiggly lines just to give it a little bit more detail. I felt like something was missing, so I gave my pumpkin some eyebrows. I wanted to make them a little bit like devious, like kind of scary. So I just put little swoops, little swirls on the sides of the triangle. This look really needed some glam, so I'm going to be adding some glitter to the entire face basically. I'm going to focus more on the black spot. Also decided to add some glitter to like the entire look, like all the orange spaces. Now it's time to move on to the human side of my face. I'm going to be doing my brows with a dark black pencil. I know that sounds crazy, but it really complements the look. Trust me, guys. The black brow definitely complements the makeup look. I'm going to be moving on using my concealer, my Smashbox concealer, to highlight my brow. Basically, this is going to be like a regular face. Prime my eyelid for my cut crease. I'm going to be using my P. Louise base. I'm going to be using the tape just to make sure that my eyeshadow is perfectly winged. Let's get into this cut crease, honey. I'm going to be applying my transition shade first. Next, I'm going to be cutting my crease with my P. Louise base again. For my crease base, I'm going to be using orange shade. I'm going to be packing that on to the middle of my eyelid. I'm just going to be adding glitter or orange glitter on top of my orange cut crease base. And to pull this look all together, I'm going to be using a black shade on the outer corners of my eyelid just to smoke it out a bit and give it a more scary, grungy look. Foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite foundation ever, my Maybelline Fit Me Full Wear Foundation in the color 330 Toffee. I'm going to be just applying that to the area where I'm going to have my natural regular face. Doing this, you want to be very careful not to blend it into your pumpkin face. I tried to just use the corners of my little beauty blender. I really like these beauty blenders because I could really get into the corners of my eyes. I love these so very much. So I've seen this done many different ways, but I wanted to be original and do it my own way. So I'm just going to be cutting, not cutting, I'm tripping. I'm going to be drawing the line in between my pumpkin face and my regular face. I'm just going to do some squiggly lines, some sharp lines, just to make it unique and different. I feel like this definitely pulls the look together, so be original. Do it however you want to do it. If you want to do it just like this, that's awesome as well. But I really like how cool it looks because it really looks like I have a half pumpkin face and a half regular face. This look is so cool to me. Oh my gosh. Finish up my eye makeup look, I'm just going to be applying some black liner under my eyelids, and then I'm going to be applying some lashes, of course, some mascara just to make my eyes pop. Here's the finished look, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. This look was so fun to create. I really think that you guys should try this. If you're looking for a quick, easy, affordable Halloween makeup look, this should be the go-to. I will be uploading many more Halloween makeup looks because I am loving this right now. Comment down below any other Halloween makeup look suggestions that you guys have. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.